What's good, Canna fam? Welcome back to Wepop Gardening. We are back over here in the VIVOSUN 4x4 Pro Kit. I got that 6-inch Zesh, maintaining the moisture and the heat in here with that AW400, crunching down on these Colombian Golds, which are doing phenomenal, y'all. So I raised the light this last week here, giving them a little bit more space and focusing on the VPD. Yes, this is a stem off from last week, so I'm continuing to focus on that. I got a screenshot of where the VPD's been in the tent here, which is super awesome. It's been maintaining great, wonderful levels. The humidifier, that H09 from VIVOSUN's been killing it over here, maintaining it awesome. I've only had to fill it up once. It carries 2.38 gallons of water, and I got it set at level 3, and I've had to adjust it a little bit throughout the way, obviously. That way we're not running too humid at night. But I'll post that up here in the corner for y'all, so you can take a look at the readings on that from the VIVOSUN app. Again, fam, if y'all need anything from VIVOSUN over there, go save yourself 15%. Use Wepop. It's good for anything in the store there, unless it's already a special sale they got going on. I wanted to get in here too and let you guys see they done sent me some cool new equipment, so I'll be bringing you guys some time lapses of the grow here coming soon. Excited about that. Love them guys over there. They've been super supportive of the channel over here, and I couldn't be happier. But anyway, I wanted to get in here today and show you guys what was going on. I have not watered because a few of y'all mentioned the fact it might be overwatering, so I just wanted to see and show y'all that I don't think that's definitely the case. We still got the same issues. Oh, bumped y'all, sorry man. We got a little bit of leaf curling still going on the ends. As y'all can see, she has lightened out. She needs to be fed. Nutrient levels are low because I haven't fed it, because it's actually this watering is a feeding. So I just wanted to kind of show that to you guys so you guys can see it's not me over watering. As you can tell, this one's droopy draggy, so it's definitely not that issue. Not 100% sure still what's going on. It could have been the phosphates given to it at the beginning, and another one of you gromies out there had mentioned that cold roots, cold water, if they're not feeling good, it's going to make it react that way. And I think you are 100% right, fam. So I've gotten the temps up in the tent and focusing more on the VPDs, keeping the moisture levels up. It does stop me from having to water so much, and especially using the green rush. It's responded well. So definitely looking healthier, definitely way better. The growth on this one is phenomenal. I wanted you guys to see this. So these are 9-point leaves, and they are bigger than my hand, y'all. This thing is healthier than crap. The one we're mainlining here that's going to stay inside, these literally are about ready to get outside. Where I'm staging these at, I'm working with another person, a friend of mine, great guy. Anyway, I can't disclose that, but I'm waiting to hear back from them because they had some issues with the family, and they're dealing with some things and a loss. I'm thinking, because I haven't heard from them. So as soon as we get word on that, we'll get this set up, and I'll get the outdoor going. I got probably no more than, I gotta have them in within the next week or so. So fingers crossed the family's okay and everything's working out for them and doing all right. Much love to y'all. You know who you are if you're watching this. So just wanted to get that out there and let you guys, all you subs, know what's going on with these and why I haven't got them in the dirt yet. Today's video, I'm going to focus more on the main line here. Like I said, This being the bigger pot, this is 25 gallons of Pro Mix in an air pot sent over by Chris and them over at Airpots. Shout out to them. They wanted to let everybody see that they have much larger pots available, and they sent these to me just to show the growth. So we are getting ready to get things situated here. I'm gonna clean this up. I didn't want to do it all and continue to cause stress on her, because she was she'd been through a lot. The transplant, then I mainlined. I wanted to give it time to recuperate. So I am going to come in here today. We're going to clean this up because we got nodes starting to come up, and I'm going to obviously top those once they get to the right height. But I want to keep everything clean. That way, once we get to that point, we are all set and ready to go. So I'm going to get set up here, and we're going to get into this. So I got the clips on the ends here, obviously. We got the internals coming up. I know a lot of people are going to ask me why I'm cleaning up the middle. This is all going to be undergrowth anyway, so there's not much point in it staying, and then it can also shift its focus on the growth on the ends that I'm going to eventually top and make more bushiness out of once it gets a little bit taller. The whole point of mainlining is to have equal colas at the same level. So that's kind of the whole point of doing all this. So like I said in the beginning, this is a heavy stress training is what it is. So that's why I waited a little bit, because I wanted to make sure that she was healthy, good to go. As y'all can see, she's sitting on herself, pumping out moisture, because she's itching to get it. So I'm gonna come in here today. We're gonna clean this up a little bit, and then I'm gonna feed her, because they all three need it, because today is feed day. So I just wanted you guys to get in here and see how this was going, and then we'll get everything rolling, because she's doing great. I am super stoked. Love the feedback on the last video, y'all. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys are awesome, and it's good to see some of y'all that have been gone for a minute. So I'm glad to see y'all back. You guys need to do me a huge solid. Smash that like for me. Make sure you get the thumbs up, drop a comment. You guys have been awesome at it, and I'm super grateful. But something I did notice, push that notification bell, y'all. That really goes a long way when the videos drop and you guys actually click on it right away. YouTube sends it out, and I want to connect with more vets and other beginning growers so we can continue to thrive here and expand, you know. I got a lot of good feedback on the music, and I'm glad y'all are enjoying that. I'm gonna continue that ride, and we're gonna keep cranking them out as they come. I'll make sure to post them. I think I'm gonna start putting the links on the videos for each individual song. Try to get them out about the same time I drop the video. That way the music is readily available for you guys to go check out. We're on every platform, Spotify, Apple, I mean everywhere. You can get it anywhere, Pandora, all that. So hopefully y'all keep enjoying that. I appreciate y'all's love on that, and yeah, couldn't be more grateful, fam. But I'm gonna stop rattling here, and we're gonna get focused on this and get this squared away.
With regrets, try to love a woman, but I choke on the depths. Can't connect, can't trust, can't give her my all, cause I'm waiting for the day she'll just let me fall. I bury my guilt in the roots that I tend, growing green from the ground like I'm raising dead friends. This ain't just a crop, it's a path I defend, trying to breathe life in the smoke on the wind. Green grows the light where the shadows fade, trying to rise from the dirt, from the pain I made. Every leaf a prayer, every bud a flame, healing these wounds that don't speak my name. From the war to the grave, through the loss and strain, still I grow, still I hope through the hurt and rain. Green grows the light, man, I'm trying to feel sane, even if I fall out.
As you can see, I came in and cleaned out this base here. Got this all cleaned up. You can see these clips. These clips are a little small. So I'm gonna clean those up. We're gonna get those knocked out of here. I'm gonna try to get these to lay over a little bit more, but she's already getting woody down here on the ends. So I'm gonna continue to work these on the edges. Try to see if we can get them out. Might be solid right there. Maybe I could just tie these ends down here to the lower parts, since we got accessibility on that side, and keep them pinned that way so we're not restricting these right here, because these are pretty solid and I don't want them growing into the plant, you know what I mean? So yeah, probably go that route. But I'm happy with the progression on this one. Even if these start coming up and then we top those, it's gonna fan out even more. So I'm starting to see it come together now. I think I'm gonna let this heal up, and then from this point start letting it grow up, and then we'll top it after we get the third nodes on each branch. We'll top those, let it fan out, and then we'll start getting it and get that trellis that I built set up, and we'll start filling her up here. So I don't know if y'all saw that video. I'll put a link up here, and I'll also I'll link it at the end, and I will also put a card up here in the corner for y'all that have access, so you can check it out if you hadn't seen it already. It kind of covers the build. It was a time lapse on that. But I'm gonna go ahead and get the green rush set up, and I'm gonna get that mixed together, and then we'll get these girls fed up. Today I think I'm gonna go ahead and add some seaweed, and I'm also gonna add the CalMag, the one shot of that. Couldn't hurt. Gives a good micro and macro newts to the soil, and could benefit using the buffers for the worm castings there. So I'm gonna get that set up, and we'll be right back. All right, fam, so we got ran a little low because I had to use untreated water for another grow I got going on, which I'll be dropping that seed to harvest here shortly. But anyway, I wanted you guys to see what was up with this, so I'm gonna do a seaweed extract today. I got about 6 liters in here, so I'm just gonna give it a couple shots of the seaweed extract, nothing major. I am gonna add CalMag this feeding, so we're gonna do 2 shots of that, just to make sure everything's good. So I'm running straight cocoa mix in there. I didn't add anything to that besides the buffers. And then obviously we've got the leafy green grow from Green Rush, which again, if y'all are interested in that, you can go save yourself 10% on that with Green Rush. Use Wepop. Just like you can save 15 with anything VIVOSUN related using Wepop, y'all. So with that, I'm just gonna do 2 of these. It's gonna be a little heavy on the feed side, but no, actually 2 tablespoons, so it's 3 per liter. So yeah, we're right on cue. So we're just gonna do 2 because I'm literally like just shy of the 2 gallons of water. But anyway, so I'm gonna get this mixed up, and then we'll go ahead and get her fed.
Got a heart full of holes, stitched with regrets. Try to love a woman, but I choke on the depths. Can't connect, can't trust, can't give her my all, cause I'm waiting for the day she'll just let me fall. I bury my guilt in the roots that I tend, growing green from the ground like I'm raising dead friends. This ain't just a crop, it's a path I defend. Trying to breathe life in the smoke on the wind. Green grows the light where the shadows fade. Trying to rise from the dirt, from the pain I made. Every leaf a prayer, every bud a flame. Healing these wounds that don't speak my name. From the war to the grave, through the loss and strain. Still I grow, still I hope through the hurt and rain. Green grows the light, man, I'm trying to feel sane. Even if I fall, I'll rise again. My circle getting smaller, I'm losing my tribe. Sobriety's lonely, fake smiles, real goodbyes. Used to drink to forget, now I like to reflect. Roll the trauma in a rap just to catch my breath. They say healing ain't linear, it's jagged and cruel. Some days I'm a soldier, some days a fool. Some nights I just talk to the plants in my shed, cause they listen better than the ghosts in my head. PTSD like a demon in the dark, whispers in my ear when I'm falling apart. Trying to love again, but my heart got a shield made of tombstones and names I never healed. But the soul don't judge and the sun still shines, even on a man who done crossed them lines. So I nurture my peace with each harvest I reap, while the world takes the ones I can't keep. Green grows the light where the shadows fade, trying to rise from the dirt, from the pain I made. Every leaf a prayer, every bud a flame, healing these wounds that don't speak my name. From the war to the grave, through the loss and strain, still I grow, still I hope through the hurt and rain. Green grows the light, man, I'm trying to feel sane. Even if I fall, I'll rise again. Smoke curls like memories I can't erase, but I breathe deep now, I ain't chasing the taste. Not liquor, not death, not the past in disguise, just a future I plant underneath these skies. Got my hands in the dirt, but my soul looking up to a mother I miss and a God I did.
All right, Gromies, we got all this squared away. Got the feed done today. We got the training done. Was noticing, got some purple in there. Sorry. Foam's okay, I promise. I just dumped out the rest of that green rush with the cow mag. Gets frothy. Just means it was mixed up well. But I'm noticing the purple in there. That's an indication that my light's a little bit too much for that area. So I think I'm gonna bring this girl up just a little bit more. So VIVOSUN's got these awesome ratchet straps. They're push buttons, but they just click, y'all. Makes it so much easier. You can just level them out. I got the light leveled. I'm gonna kick this tail up a little bit more on the back, which is a banging feature. I love that because I can extend the light out back here, so this back corner is now getting a little more light than what it was. I'm gonna open this up a little bit too, so I make sure this corner has more light bouncing off the rails to get to the back side of the bottom girl. But y'all can see it lit up that corner pretty good, and obviously we got more back there. Super cool thing that I just realized too, not the other day. Sorry about the camera, y'all. But the humidifier is, when it's running, it actually pulls up a little bit in here, and this will dump into my pans. So that's a pretty slick thing there. Y'all see that, don't you? You know what that is. You gotta know what that is. Them roots, man. Them roots. Good, strong, healthy plant all the way through that. That's why I like the big pots. Lets them reach out and breathe, y'all. So just food for thought. Ain't nothing wrong with running one monster. Get a pretty good crop on that too. So just saying. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. Everything's rolling along good. Keep the comments coming. Loving the support with the music, like I said. Much love, y'all. We're gonna be transferring these girls out soon, outdoor, so stay tuned on that. I'm excited. I'm gonna get this one looking a little bit lusher before I do it. But like I said, I got a little bit of work to do dealing with a dear friend of mine. So but we'll get into that here soon. I promise it's coming, y'all. Hang in there. I swear to you it's coming. Appreciate y'all. Much love here, and till next time, as always, peace.